Now, this is my new setup. I got a nice new tripod for Christmas from Tom, so that was good. So now I can do this, but I'm going to turn around and swap the video around a little later. So, we'll just see if anybody else is watching. Sorry to interrupt the cricket, Ash, but I don't even have the telly on here, so I didn't even know that was happening. So does everything look okay in the frame to you guys? It looks okay online to me. Just move these out a little bit. Alright, let's get started because I could be here all night waiting. So I've got a few things I want to discuss with everybody tonight. So firstly, hello. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas and all that stuff. Hope you had a good festive season with your family and friends. Hope you got spoiled. And yeah, just hope it's been a good week. So first thing I'd like to talk about tonight is our couple of new releases. These were born out of necessity last night when I was doing some of my own planning. So we've got these three here. Now, is the lighting okay there? No, it's not. Hang on, let me... Sorry, the lighting's not real flash from what I'm seeing. Does it look okay? Actually, it looks okay on the preview, so we'll go from there. It just looks not real flash for the phone. So, first thing you would have seen on Facebook, Instagram, and here in the loft would be the new sampler for January. So these are some new icons that I've pulled together. The one missing there is a thumbs up one. I've already used that in my planner. I'll show you there. I need to cover something in this planner. So yeah, so there's a thumbs up sticker, or sorry, don't forget one. So there's that, and that just goes in here. So we've got a doctor's appointment, a coffee cup, put a couple of those, a couple of cups of tea, some celebration glasses of wine, a me day. This one's actually for backing up hard drives, external drives and the rest. And then there's a gaming one. So these samplers are going to include stickers that you don't need a whole sheet of, but you only need one or two of. So that's my aim for them over the year. The next one is I needed to resize some shipping stickers because I've sort of fallen out of love with the old ones. So we've got a Happy Mail ordered one. It's got this cute little box with the shipped and arrived still, but this is specifically for Happy Mail. And then there's a little space to put the shop and the date. It's only a small space. But there's still a little bit of room to write there. And then I made this one for me, but I'll put it in the shop as well, for supplies, because I'm got a shop specific planner. I'm gonna keep track of supplies, what I buy in there, and so I'm gonna use this one for that. So that's one new release with two parts. I'll be putting those up into the shop after we've done, after we've finished here. And then the other thing I just wanted to do before I turn the camera around was go through the unboxing of my new pen. Now it's a bit of overkill for a pen, but this is the size of the box. I'll just put that up a bit. This is the size of the box. Now you can see this is the measurements on my desk, and that is 24 centimeters wide. Hi, Teresa. Oh, sorry. Oh, squeaky chair on bad carpet. So this is for 1 pen. So I think this is hilarious. So someone posted in Planner Addicts in Australia about the Swarovski pens, and they're half price, and I couldn't resist. So this is what's hiding in here. I've had a bit of a sneaky look, but yeah, wait till you see this. So opening up the box, got this beautiful little folder with the foiling, you can see there, and then it's just got care instructions, and it came with a gift card, which is this cute little foiled swan. I'll just shove it there onto the side. So care instructions, little folder, and a gift bag, which has got the foiling on it as well, and then the pen is hiding in here. So these pens are retailing at about, I think they're about $80 or something like that, but they're half price. So let's open this up. So I was having an knowing what colour to get. So I got the black one. There's something in white. So this is what the pen looks like. So it's got the black end down there and the black cap with the silver barrel. But check out that sparkle of all those crystals. Yeah, and but it writes so beautifully. I had a little bit of a scribble, but I'll show you as well. But I'm not going to write on these. I'll just grab a journal card. And we'll just take the camera down a little closer. I'm not taking this one to work, Beck. So it writes beautifully. And it's nice and thin. Like, I'm guessing it's a 0.5. Let me have a look at the invoice. No, it's not telling me anything on the invoice, but yeah, just check out that sparkle. So this is definitely a pen for home. Oh, you should see the amount of pens I have stashed in my purse at work. It's a bit crazy, but yeah, check that out. So this will be for home and for special purposes only. But yeah, this, it writes beautifully. So that's that. So yeah, for the price, look, it's a fancy pen. There's no getting away with it, but it's beautiful and it writes really smoothly and it's balanced really nicely. Okay. What I'm going to do is going to flip you guys over to the other side, so we can chat face to face. So just hang on 2 seconds and we'll take you out of one tripod and make this as smooth as possible. Hello. Oops. Hello. Just hang on. Just pop you. Oh, guys, into there. Oh gosh. And I really need to sort out this desk a bit better, because what's holding up my tripod is not even. That's better. Hi. Okay, I'm just gonna flip these. Okay, so that was the pen. So yes, very pretty pen. What else did I want to show you? I received this little bit of personal happy mail from a customer today, which is the first time I've had this happen. So, and I was a bit surprised because it had a little business name on the back. I'm like, oh, I haven't ordered anything from New South Wales. Is it New South Wales? Yeah, from New South Wales. And I'm like, don't know what this is. So, anyway, it's going to be a bit back to front. But I got this gorgeous card from Denielle. Sorry, Denielle. Denielle or Denielle. Sorry if I'm messing up your name. But this is gorgeous. And inside it just says, Denise, just a little something to say thank you. I absolutely love all my stickers. And look at this. It's just gorgeous. So thank you very much, Denielle or Denielle. She does have a website or a Facebook page called Angel Handmade Papercraft. So if you want to join, check that out, and dare say look at more of her beautiful work. But yeah, this is so cute. So this will go up where all my other cards are hanging up, sort of on the wall, up in here, where I put all my good ones. Okay. So a bit of shop news. If you've been following me on my social media lately, you've noticed that I've made a couple of small announcements that all monthly Erin Condren kits will be removed on Friday, and also all the bundles of the samplers will also be going on Friday. So if you want any of those, get in quick, because yeah, they'll be coming down this Friday, so in 2 days. So grab one of those because they'll be gone. I've only got 3 monthly kits, and to be honest, they don't sell that well. I might sell a couple every month, and I just don't have the time at present to keep designing more. So I'm going to pull those ones out. There are plenty of other fabulous shops doing monthly kits, and they do a much better job at it than I do, so I'm going to let them do that. I'm still tossing up what to do about my weekly kits, because some of those are they're not selling that well, as also, plus there's people that do more amazing kits out there, and I'm at a real juncture with the shop about which direction, and things are all over the place. So I'm doing some serious thinking about what's happening in the shop this year. I was hoping to do it while I was closed, but I just ran out of time because of the festive season. But I'm wondering if I should do just a purely functional shop. So no kits, monthly or weekly, and just do purely functional stickers and see how we go. So let me know in the comments below, or leave a post somewhere if that's something that you would support. It would mean more releases more often, because they're only a smaller sticker, not instead of having to design a whole kit. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to just go purely functional, or have a few kits, but they're not going to be a lot of kits. So yeah, let me know down below what you think. Yeah, I like the functional stuff too, and there's a lot of people doing kits, and so I think I might leave them to do it, but I don't want you guys to miss out as well. I mean, it's up to you. You guys are the ones that drive what I have in the shop. It's not me. I make what you guys want, and so I'm happy to do whatever. So that's what's happening with those. So monthly kits and the sampler packs are disappearing on Friday, and then I'm still thinking about what to do with the weekly kits. Also, changes coming up. I'm in the process of testing a few papers at the moment. I'm testing a new premium matte. I've got a couple of versions of that, and also I'm testing a new clear matte, which will be interesting, because I haven't, in the 3 years I've been doing this, I haven't seen another clear matte. and I found another one, and so I'm going to give that a test because it's actually quite considerably cheaper than the one I'm using now. So I'll be interested to see the quality difference, print quality, and functionality, and also how it looks on the page. So there'll be some testing coming up. I might send some of the samplers out on these new papers to see what you guys think, or make just some more put all my stickers that I need for me on it, and yeah, see how I go from there. Oh, don't know what I did there. I'm just catching up with comments. So yeah, if they've got any questions about anything, yeah, as I said, leave them down below, or message me through the shop, through my personal page, preferably through the shop. But that's about it. I've been using my B6s for a couple of days now, and they're taking a little bit to get used to, but I'm slowly putting in things like my TV tracker. I've put a B6 version of the TV tracker in the shop in the freebie section. I've put a password page in. What else? I've just adding little bits and pieces to the B6 to get used to the sizing. So this is the, oops, I got pens everywhere. So this is the TV tracker. I've got that resized, and yeah, I'm just slowly finding my way with them. It is an odd size, but I'm getting there. Just checking. But yeah, that's about it. It's just a short one tonight. I just thought I had a few things that I wanted to let everybody know about, and I thought, oh, I can't be bothered doing a post about it. I'll just do a live video, get it done and dusted, and then you guys can watch this. Watch this later, watch this now, do your own thing. But yeah, so stay tuned. These will be going up into the shop tonight. Plus I've got a few other new things coming in the coming week, so make sure you're following on all social media. And also don't forget that Luscious Labels does have its own YouTube channel now. I might transfer these lives over to there instead, but might do them in both, or I'll save this video and then upload it to YouTube later. So yeah, lots of fun stuff happening. Alright, so I'm going to get going. Thanks, Beck. I know I've got your support. Yeah, I think we'll just leave it at that. I've got not much else to say. I better do some work on the shop before I have to go to bed and get ready for work tomorrow, because yeah, back at work today after a week and a half off, and yeah, I'd much rather be at home. But anyway, I shall catch you guys around. If you want to have a chat, I'm going to be here for a while, so happy to chat in the page, in Messenger, via the shop, or anything. So anyway, I shall catch you later. Bye. Thanks for watching.